Hi, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to discuss the pros and cons of Forex or FX trading. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hi traders, I got a question emailed to me this morning why I think FX or Forex is such a great market. And I think that brings up a good point, and try and sort of, I guess, explain why I think it's a great market and why I trade it. So number one, it's the largest, biggest market in the world. You know, it changes all the time in size, but I think the last estimate was somewhere between $4 and $5 trillion a day going through the market. So number one, you've got massive liquidity. Number two, you've got volatility. There's always movement. I mean, you've got multiple instruments to trade in terms of the different currency pairs. The average ranges offer people who on an end of day or position trade or swing trade plenty of room for movement. Intraday traders, there's plenty of room for movement. It's just basically, it's the biggest playing field out of all the international markets. There's just no comparison by far. It's the biggest, best market for traders that there is. I think some of the other attractive aspects are that no matter where you're at, you can log in anywhere, anytime, you know, within that 5-day trading week. 24/7 and have access to the market. You know, if you're trading shares, you know, you've got the close of the market, then the open isn't till the next day. You've got to sit on that position. There's no way you can liquidate that position or change anything until the market opens again. So you might be subject to gaps, movement in the market, or different aftermarket activity that with FX you've constantly got access, whether there's news, you know, any sort of political activity or interest rate rise or bank activity. You've got access to the market 24/7 during that 5-day trading week. So it just gives people the opportunity to be anywhere, anytime, traveling, or, you know, like I find myself constantly, you know, I'll get up in the middle of the night sometimes and just check the market. Not because I'm stressed or anything, but because I'm so excited about the opportunities that Forex offers. I'm constantly just studying the market and thinking of new ideas and avenues that can be tested and strategized. So those are three of the bigger ones. I mean, obviously, if you can get really good at your strategies and your money management and have a positive trade expectancy, the opportunity that FX trading offers somebody in terms of their lifestyle is second to none. I mean, you've got virtually no overheads other than your trading expenses and your internet. You know, but you know, the lifestyle and the unlimited potential that FX offers is second to none. So it really is the ultimate challenge. You know, I came from an athletic background. I've always been competitive in sport. And I think the market, just what attracted me was just the fact that I could see where the market could be beaten, and I could see the opportunity that was there. And obviously there's been a huge learning curve, but I think if you can constantly improve, that it's just something that can really change a person's life. Now, what are the negatives? And I think there's a little bit of confusion out there with people in terms of the Forex. And Forex market itself is actually, I don't see any negatives, no different than any other market. But I think where the confusion comes in is that, you know, Forex is largely unregulated and there's no central exchange. So that's something where it creates a little bit of lack of transparency, depending on where your account is. Sometimes there'll be in-house trading, you know, where the account where your account is, they may be taking the opposite sides of your trades. So there can be, you know, there is suspicion that there is some stop running and other unscrupulous activities, but I don't think that's any different than any other market. And to be honest, I don't really know. I don't have access to that information, so I can't say firsthand. But I think the other real confusion area is that because Forex offers clients in some cases a large degree of leverage, I think the illusion comes in that because there tends to be a high percentage of losing participants, that the market is manipulated. And I think that where the error is that clients are taking, really largely unexperienced clients are taking on way too large of leveraged trading positions, and without the track record or the ability to trade profitably, and they're taking on way more risk than they should be, and effectively they're blowing up their account. And I think this is where a lot of the general lay public are misinformed, is that it's actually the lack of experience of the trader themselves participating in a leveraged market. To be honest, if someone was just starting out, I would suggest to them whatever amount of account they start out with is to largely just learn to study and trade on leverage. So if they're trading a $1,000 account or a $10,000 account, to be just focusing on 1% risk every single trade of that account size. If you're trading on $10,000, I'd be maximizing my position sizing based on 1% of that account. So the most I'd be exposing myself would be to a $10,000 position. And the whole point of that is that it's money management, it's survival, it's capital preservation. And if you're not in the game, you can't win at it. And that's the number one thing, is money management, money management, money management. So I hope that answers your question. Again, I just think it's the best market in the world. Amazing opportunities. Study hard, stay focused, stay disciplined. Get out and enjoy the sunshine, have a workout, and enjoy the ride. Thanks, traders.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.